left here. There's a bunch of idiots.
That's a geriatric dog down there. Is that Andy?
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? We were literally just saying, oh, I wonder if Andy's coming. Probably not today. And then you show up.
I'm gassed now.
Yeah, you took all your energy out running down the hill.
All-time special teams. That's what I came for.
Oh, okay, just special teams?
Yeah.
Yeah, I pulled my hamstring already, so I'm done.
That's what I thrive on.
Oh, nice job. Oh, James, you're hitting the ground more than I do normally.
I have no balance. Right, so 4th down, we got to score. So.
No, you just got to get to the 1 yard line. You're good. You want to? What? And
I tried.
No, you didn't. You gonna play football sometime soon?
Yeah.
Yeah. High five. Yeah, that's my boy. All right, thanks for being on that side. It makes this much easier, so you're not in my way.
It makes me look skinnier when I'm further away.
Well, this line on the ground doesn't. Oh, nice catch. And it looks like everybody gave up.
I should have gone over.
Where's the effort? It's all right. I'll do time lapse. We'll speed this up. I'll do time lapse. It'll look like you ran the 40 in like 2 seconds. Whoop.
Oh no, it slipped out. Goodness gracious.
The wives. How do you feel today? How you feeling?
My name is Nick.
That's good. Tell him your name's Nick. Don't let him know your real name. Make Nick look bad.
Orlick.
Hey Andy, can you strike a pose? I'm going to use that for your OFL football card. Yeah, could I? Yeah, we'll do like a limited edition. And it'll have a tiny rip from your shirt on. This one's worth 2 cents. What do you mean show off? Nick, Ryan, you know what I'm talking about. Cone shot. This is where it's always at. Vintage shot. It almost looks like Ryan is another cone. First down.
You were out of bounds?
Yeah. Oh. I don't know. Oh look, there's a child. Oh wait, that's my child. I can see you way over there.
I can see you way over there.
Glasses.
Ready. Fight.
Thinking gnats.
Guys, he said, man, the boys are doing great. I said, which boys? He goes, these boys.
He's like Matt Foley. He's the motivational speaker from the sideline.
That'll knock him over.
Theo, I love your gloves.
Yeah, I love you.
I know those boys.
Oh, I'm not wearing any, but thanks.
Man, you almost knocked Ben over.
Yep.
Ben had a couple
That's my son. I mean, I'm just gonna try a different shot that I haven't used in a while. The QB view. This shot kind of feels like first person view in NFL 2K5.
I thought you were going to say man. Oh, look at that perfect form.
Don't worry, we'll time elapse it. He should put his hands up like, nah, I'm good. Don't worry, I'll time lapse it. You can walk it, it's good. I get the energies at a low level now. Oh, we lost another one. Stragglers everywhere. Stragglers everywhere. Stragglers.
You get one play each side.
That's all it takes.
Wait, right?
One play.
This has been an Orlick presentation of the OFL, Orlick Football League.